Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we're here back at Mosquito Lake, Cortland, Ohio.
Soggy.
Yes.
Mosquito Lake.
Rained all last night, of course. But yeah, we're here for our Casita rally.
Yeah, 6th annual spring kickoff egg rally.
Yeah, we got the t-shirts and everything.
Yeah, look at that. Yay. We just had our potluck. Usually we do this right at the beginning, but you know, we're a little behind. That's okay though. We're having a good time.
Yeah. Enjoying
folks. Just had our potluck. Amazing food. So good. Thanks everybody for chipping in and bringing stuff. We're looking forward to hanging out here in a little bit. We're just going to have sitting around the fire all night.
Yeah, we had a good turnout this weekend.
Yeah, lots of people. We'll have to tally up and let you know at the end what we end up with. But a lot of new folks. We got Pennsylvania, New York, West Virginia, Michigan. Visitors from Michigan.
Yes,
visitors from Michigan. Looking into buying a casita, so they wanted to check some out. What else do we got? I don't know. Just a good weekend with some good friends, great people. Kicking it off.
Yep, starting the allegedly summer off, right? It's 50-some degrees.
Yeah.
And rain.
What was it, 70 and sunny yesterday?
Yeah, I was in shorts and flip-flops yesterday.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
long sleeve shirt today.
Yeah.
That's Ohio for you. You don't like the weather? Give it 24 hours.
Exactly. You never know what you're going to get. All right. So I guess that's it. We'll catch up with you at the end.
Yep.
Bye.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Well, another great weekend in the books.
Another one for our 6th annual Mosquito Lake Spring Kickoff Egg Rally. We had a great weekend. So many good people in this group. We can't, just can't even describe, you know, the friendships that we've made throughout the years here. So many wonderful people, and some new ones. What did we say? We had New York, Pennsylvania,
West Virginia.
West Virginia. Thanks everybody for coming. We really enjoyed it. We enjoy the company every year. This is a fun event. Good times.
Yeah. How many campers we have?
I think I counted 26 or 27 on the sheet. Several escapes, couple Olivers, and mostly Casitas.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. What do we have? We did potluck. All the good food, as always. So much good food.
A little rain Friday, but
A little bit of rain. Lots of mud.
That's typical.
That's typical.
That's every year.
Yeah, that's all right. We're used to it. That's, you know, we're out camping. That's what you do.
Yeah.
It's just always a good, I mean, we camp all winter long, you know, as you guys know, but so many people, this is their first time out for the year. So it's always good. Yeah. Can't say, there's not much more I can say.
No, just finish packing up and head home.
Head home. So we'll catch you later. Keep it safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye.
Bye.